Maybe friends don't think so. It turns out that Word files can also be combined into one. This method is very good when friends are confused about typing, so we just have to take the text from another document and make it into one. As for how to combine two Word files into one method, it is very easy. First, open the document file that you want to combine. Next, friends, place the cursor at the beginning or end of the document, if you want to add text from another document to the beginning or end of the text. After that, go to the Insert menu, then select Object, then select Text from File. Look for the documents we want to combine. Click the file and click Insert. Now automatically the file or text in the other document will appear. You just need to arrange it to match the existing file. So, how about it, friends? It's easy. That's how to combine Word files into one.